Today we are at Florence Motor Speedway, and I know I said that I was going to be rethinking my plans at Dominion Raceway. I just want to say I love Dominion Raceway, but for the goals that I have and what I'm willing to do to win, it doesn't really line up anymore. I think the next race I'm going to be running at Dominion is probably going to be the 200 lapper. Now they do have a race in between this one, they're racing today also, and then the 200 lapper. If it works out, maybe we'll go back for that race. But to be honest, I'm not really interested in running the twins there anymore. So when the 200 lap race at Dominion, it comes down more to about tire conservation than anything else. So I'd be willing to go there and do that. So speaking of tire conservation, we are at Florence Motor Speedway today, like I just said, and this track is all about that. And that's kind of why I like this so much, because it does have the go fast speed you need, like when it comes to qualifying. But I'm excited to see how things differ from the 400 and the icebreaker, because these are twin 40s tonight. So I'm not too sure if everybody's going to be like hustling out the gates when we drop the green flag, or what's going to happen. I really don't have any idea of what to expect when it comes to these races. I'm excited. I love Florence, and if you've been following the channel for a couple months, then you saw that we actually won the icebreaker here earlier this year, which is probably my biggest win. It is the biggest win of my career, and it was also against the one and only Dale Earnhardt Jr., who I never thought I'd even race against, let alone win against. So that's still cool. I have that check hanging on my wall, and you've probably seen the trophy in the background in some of the other videos that I've made. But that being said, let's get into today. Dude, people need to start taking a shot every time I say with that being said. Like, everybody would be drunk off their ass at the end of my videos. Well, get ready to take a shot, because with that being said, let's get into today and see if we can't put together some good results.
I got hoes calling.
So we never actually put the Winter Heat Vlog 2 out, but he went up on the stage in front of probably 100 people at the driver's meeting. You remember that?
Yes.
And he did it on the stage. So KillaGoat has a YouTube channel himself where he makes videos. He races Bandoleros, so we're gonna link his channel down in the description. Subscribe, yeah. So tell them what happened in your last video with your brakes.
Well, I lost the brakes.
So again, we're gonna link KillaGoat's channel down in the description, so go show him some love. Well, here, to earn it, you gotta do your dance one more time.
Oh, man.
I got hoes.
You know how to do the griddy?
I don't dance. My Fortnite guy does that very well.
Brother, I don't know what the griddy is, you know what I'm saying?
So KillaGoat is gonna teach AJ how to dance.
First, you just hop. Drag your feet at the time. So if you want to find somewhere to do.
Now don't do the final shot. I don't think you can keep up with that.
I don't have a Ferrari.
All right, so we're getting ready to qualify. I think we were 3rd and 6th in practice, which means we're gonna go out 4th from last. See if we can't put down a good one. Looks like we got some cloud cover, so there might be some advantages to going out early, but we'll see. I think we got a hot rod, so we'll see what we can do. Qualifying just wrapped up, and we wound up 3rd. We were 100th off of 2nd, and then the leader was 3/10 faster than everybody else. So he's I don't know. I haven't really seen him, but he's got a piece for sure. Times don't really matter too much when it comes to the race, because this is kind of a tire conservation race. Even though it's only 40 laps, it's going to be a lot different than what I'm used to at this track. Like, from what I've heard, everybody's just going to go like hell. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go like hell. We got a good starting spot. I'm confident in our car. And Chase, what do we think?
I don't know. I mean, the pole sitter did not make any practice laps. Beat everybody on his first lap by 2/10. Second lap by 3/10. Florence's finest. But ladies and gentlemen, put down your beer and start to cheer. AirDoug is here.
What so proudly we hail.
Well, I don't want to.
Are you protesting?
I feel like my protest has been heard, and I am now firing the engine.
Roger that. You're queer back. Say, you're coming back to the green. It's 40, is it 40 laps?
Yes, sir.
10-4. Up, clear. Clear by about 3 out back. 28's got a wicked line, and 1 and 2 like up top, And in 3 and 4, there's some grip up there. He's got some speed. Like he is on the 3rd white line all the way through the corner. I'm telling you right now, you're gonna have to try it. Drive the fuck out of it and down in this corner up top.
Why are we doing this? We were right on the bottom.
The leader is a half a track gone, so think about that. I'm only telling you that to not be hard on the tires and maybe fall back some. Fall back to the next one in line. It's only lap 20. I seriously think we should consider doing that, Doug. But it's up to you. The 28's going to try to do it. Came here to win. I know this sucks, but we're not going to run that fucking leader down. Ain't no way.
Why did we run the top when we haven't done that all day? Like we worried about a guy that was 3 positions back.
Because you're running the same speed. Like the leader was a half a track ahead of us. We had to do something.
What position are we?
5th right now. Like I said, there's 2 of them about 3 back from you sliding around, and then they got a half a straightaway gap over the next guy.
Should I let them both go?
Yeah, I would. It's lap 28. The fucking leader is on the back stretch.
Is this guy beside me for 7th?
That's 7th. Yeah, if he passes you, you're 7th.
Okay, I'll let him beat me coming through the line. I'll just stay beside him.
Come on, out. You got one looking. Clear, come on.
I'm gonna let the 28 beat me coming through the line.
10-4. Oh, hey, that's smart. They impound them here, huh?
So race 1's over, and we weren't all that good. I think we probably could have ran second had we pressed the issue. You know, you just gotta play the twins. Like that 13 was a mile ahead. He was the hot dog for the first race, so we kind of had to forfeit that and go back and finish 7th. I think the invert was an 8. And so we should be starting 2nd. I think we found the reason why we are so slow up out of the corner. And I just put some pictures on the screen now. Our cross member is cracked. That sucks, but we got what we got. We're gonna be starting on the front row for this 2nd race. I feel like I saved a decent amount of tire. I think everybody around me is gonna be right in my wheelhouse when it comes to the tire conservation game. So we'll see. We definitely have an issue, but that issue cannot be addressed until we leave the track. So it just is what it is. We got to make the most of it here. We came here with one goal, so let's see if we can accomplish that goal tonight.
You're all clear, all clear. By 3 out back, looking good. Just pace yourself. Just don't burn your shit up coming out of the corners. Nice and easy on the gas. Got about half straightaway gap. You just stay focused out front. Gap's the same. That 13 is about to get into 2nd. Coming back to halfway. It's just you and him. You're clear by 6, 7 over the next guy. Looking inside, it's by nose, run up hard, don't give it to him. You get the momentum up there, get it back, come on. Still there, just barely. All clear behind him. Clear by 4. Don't give give up on me. Let's just keep trying here. We at least want to run second to him if we can't beat him. 2 to go. Don, give me 2 more just like that. That pace is working. Clear by 4. Back to the white. 4 car, 5 car lengths. No pressure. Good job, dude. We just gotta get a little better down in 3 and 4.
I don't know, I was trying my hardest, that's all I had. So we'll see if this holds up or not, but hey, it's a good day. Race number 2 is over and our day at Florence is also over, and it's actually not that late, which is kind of nice. We're gonna drive home, but 2 things to note. The 13 that won the race is actually getting ripped apart right now because of a protest, and I find it personally hard to believe that somebody could come out here and beat our ass that badly, because I feel like I'm pretty good here, I feel like Matt's pretty good here, and a couple other cars that are really good here. We just look like we were limited late miles right there. If he is legal, I'm not hating, you know, I hope obviously that he's not, for my sake, that way I can get win number 4 in the year, but if he is legal, it's pretty fucking baller, because he didn't even practice, bro. He showed up, from what I've heard, he didn't even practice. He showed up and qualified and won both races in late miles and won both races in trucks. So if that is true, and if he is legal, that's pretty cool. Hey, but look, a second place finish isn't bad regardless of whether or not it holds. So I am satisfied with that. Kind of, it leaves a bitter taste in my mouth, because, you know, we led a lot of laps in that one, and I honestly thought we were gone, and I didn't think I was gonna get challenged, and then he just rolled up on me and took it from me. But you know what? If he, again, I say if he did it legally, then good race to him. If not, then cool. We get win number 4 in the year, so we'll find out soon. I had a great time at Florence. I love racing here, and it was a real blast to you know, race in a different environment. Like I've never ran a track like this, or Myrtle Beach, or Southern National. You know, just a non-grip tire wearing track in the twin format. So it was different, and it was fun. It was fun. Make sure you go to AirDoug.net and go get yourself some heat. It's KillaCam approved. I got hoes calling. I'm getting bit up, so we're going to end this video here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. And shout out to Cameron for filming. Thank you so much, Cameron. He gets mad at me because I don't thank him. So, yep, see you guys next week.
I'm stronger.